right, Scotty, hold still.
So, I asked the question of why we were replacing this, because I didn't remember. I got a lot on my mind this morning. All in a good mood.
Scotty
No,
didn't listen to Bobby. You didn't listen to Papi Chulo.
Can we tell why we had to replace it?
Remember how it smelled like gas, everybody? Yep. Well, that's why.
It's actually...
Regulator is relieving pressure through the plenum.
What's up, man?
Oh, man!
You got an employee now?
Rudy, we got a few.
Nice,
Rudy,
man.
Rudy! You're on the fucking channel, buddy.
Nice, man.
So, one momento! No,
Oh,
Rudy,
damn.
come in here. It's like the old days. No,
Look at
not
that.
Psycho. I'm usually drunker though. But yeah, look at that. That's fucked. Fun. Delicious. All right, this guy's gonna put the new one in. Are you gonna put it in deep?
Always do, and I never pull out.
That's the spirit. Xander, new diaphragm.
So where did I put I'll put the old one in the box, so hold on.
You're...
I actually put something in a box. Shock. Which one is good? Which one is bad?
Yeah, there's an issue for sure.
Yeah. I can't believe that split like that.
It's...
As bad as... Well, I mean, it's original, so...
Yeah.
Look, it's a flower. And it's so pretty.
Oh my god. That's disintegrating. Look at that.
Yep. I mean,
It's worse the more you look at it.
So,
Ugh. Anyway.
So we'll put that there.
Scotty's gonna get this assembled. And then we're gonna start putting things back together. Yay!
Yeah.
Back together.